In this video, we're going to look at some different ways to use the word would. So the first way is would like. Would like is just a polite way to say want. So if you're talking to your friends, you might say, I want to go home. But if you're talking to your boss, you would probably say, I would like to go home. So I want to go home and I would like to go home mean the same thing, but I would like to go home is more polite. And we can also use this to make offers. For example, would you like a glass of water? Would you like some help? Would you like some dessert? So here, would you like is for offers. We can also use would without like, just would, to make a request when we want someone to do something. And this is a polite way to ask someone to do something. Would you please close the door? Would you please stop talking? Would you please come here and help me with my homework? And would you is really the same as could you. But when we use could you, it sounds like I'm not really sure if you can do it. But when we use would you, it sounds like I know that you can do it. Okay, we also use would for things that are not real. So you'll hear this in things like the second conditional. If I were you, but I'm not you, if I were you, I would do something. Or if I were a dog, I would sleep on the floor. So we sometimes use would for things that are not real. They're imaginary. They're just in our minds. We can also use would to talk about past actions, but these are past actions that happened repeatedly, many times, again and again and again. So, when I was a child, I would eat ice cream after school every Wednesday. So here I'm using would to show that it was again and again and again, because it was every Wednesday, every week. I would always get ice cream on Wednesdays after school. And we can also use would for reported speech when we're talking about something that someone said in the past. And we use this when the original speech was future tense with will. So if today I say, I will go shopping, and then tomorrow, I ask you what I said today. Hey, what did I say to you the other day? Oh, you said you would go shopping. So in reported speech, talking about something that somebody said in the past, we change the will to be would. Okay, and the final way that we use would is when we are talking about, I guess, refusal. When you want something to happen and you try to make it happen, but it doesn't work. I told my dog to sit. I told her, sit. But she would not sit. It sounds like I'm annoyed because I told her to do this thing and she's not doing it. Sit. And she says, nope, I'm not going to sit. Sit. She says, nope, I'm not going to sit. I refuse to sit. So my dog would not sit, and it was annoying. Or maybe I was trying to turn on the TV, and I pressed the button. The TV did not turn on. I pressed it again. The TV did not turn on. I tried to watch TV yesterday, but it wouldn't turn on. I wanted it to do this thing, but it didn't work. It didn't happen. It wouldn't turn on. So yeah, these are some different ways that we can use would.